The following is a presentation about the Graphic Design Technology program at Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology. On OSUIT's campus in Okmulgee, Oklahoma, this building is the epicenter for the study of the arts.
And especially early on when it started in Paris in 1925.
The Visual Communications Division offers 3 degree programs: Graphic Design Technology, Multimedia Technology, and Photography. Creativity is evident throughout the halls and inside every classroom, where industry-experienced instructors are as passionate to teach as future graduates are to learn.
From the minute you get up, and you switch on the television, or you get something through the mail, or you drive down the road and you see an outdoor sign, you go to a restaurant and you pick up a menu. All of these have been touched by that artist and that graphic designer.
Technology has created a new world for graphic designers. Instructor Becky Munger helps students cultivate beginning through advanced skills in Adobe Photoshop.
When you would use the warp tool is when you want something to go around a curve. You need to have a good foundation in graphic design. First and foremost, you have to be a good designer. You have to be a good photographer, whatever program you're in. And the software on top of that becomes a tool. It's like your toolbox. It's just a palette of colors, if you want to think of it that way. You have to go create a contrast curve.
It's a unique learning atmosphere throughout OSUIT, thanks to small class size and low student-to-teacher ratio. Projects are often designed with the students' interests in mind.
They're designing a CD cover. Being their final project, they have to do everything that we've done this semester incorporated into that one project. Their use of color and the techniques.
They try to gear the assignments towards not just what's in the industry and what we might actually be doing out there, but things that are relevant to us and that we enjoy, because you got to keep us interested. We're college kids, we're likely to jump around, so you got to keep our attention, and they do a good job of that here.
An Associate in Applied Science degree in Graphic Design Technology can be earned in a little over 2 years. In semester 5 of the 7-semester program, students are further encouraged to showcase their individuality in a course called Identity.
Identity is really fun because it allows you to come up with a company, a product, your own target market that you want to go after. And it really allows you to hone in on what you would be doing if someone came to you, if a client came to you and asked you to do a project.
Prior to presenting their final project, students display their work for thorough critique by instructor Kurt Stenstrom.
Of course, everybody needs a logo, letterhead, business card, and those are the tried and true basics, beginnings of an identity. But it goes so much farther. We as designers like to play with people's emotions, and we can do that. You can do it with color, graphics, photographs, type. They work on somebody's mind just so fast, so quick.
Since you are doing brown in your ad, you could be doing brown up here.
I did cupcakes, which was the name of it, and it's a cupcake company, obviously. And I wanted to do something feminine that would be targeting women, especially moms with little kids. And it allowed me to use pink, which is my favorite color, and I just wanted to keep it cute and fun.
Audience research plays a huge role in creating a successful identity.
We have always been very focused about idea first, concept, being able to come up with that first and foremost. But the second part of that is understanding how to get it to the final end product. That's what we really hold as a benchmark for this program. What you see on the screen is always a lie compared to what actually gets printed out.
What makes us different is the commercial aspect of the programs that we teach. We're teaching you to go to work and be prepared to go to work.
Your initials, whatever the company is, 8-page booklet. Okay, never have I sent a student, across the stage that I feel like that they are not ready with the skills, ready to, take on any possible job position.
Students find out how prepared they are while gaining real-world experience during a required internship.
By doing an internship, then they can really see, hands-on, what it's going to take to do this and do it day in, day out. When they come back from their internships, they come back with a whole different attitude. They are much more focused, much more enthused about getting done. Let's wrap it up, let's finish up, because I want to get out there and actually do this.
Near the end of the program, students assemble a portfolio of projects they must present for review, the culmination of all their hard work and effort.
Everything in a portfolio ought to be nothing but the best, and that's wow. So that when somebody flips the page, it's like, wow, I want to hire this person, I want to hire this person.
Industry professionals and graduates often return to portfolio reviews to offer advice and scout for new employees.
Coming here and seeing what's going on, it kind of rejuvenates you. It's exciting, it's fun. You see where you remember where you were at that age and how excited and how passionate, and so, it brings that back.
Wenzel design employee Ryan Gemlin is also an OSUIT graduate, proof that portfolio review is an excellent time to make career contacts.
The capstone program was great. They required interviews as part of the graduation process, which one of my portfolio interviews was with Lisa, so that did ultimately end up as a part-time and then full-time job.
OSUIT's Visual Communications Department has turned out so many success stories. 1986 graduate Sharon Braun catapulted to success in Hollywood and is known for doing nothing short of revolutionizing the DVD industry.
We basically wrote, the DVD Bible on the specs. We came up with play, scene selections, special features, and languages.
I think you quite like these 007.
Computers were just coming on board when Sharon was at school here. Now, technology is paramount in each of the division's 7 computer labs. The mission of OSUIT's Visual Communications Division remains the same. Develop skills through hands-on experience necessary for career success. Across the board, students, instructors, and graduates agree. A degree in graphic design technology from OSUIT can equal a prosperous, rewarding, and enjoyable career.
It's great to get up every morning and get to come in and generally work on something new. It's just fun and creative and not like your typical 9-to-5 job.
I love it. It's really fun. I like that you get to mesh creativity, but it's also for a purpose. It's goal-oriented, and in a way it's like helping people. You get to help your client.
They bring the passion and they bring the motivation, and we provide the training that they need so they can go to work and do the same thing we do, and that's get up every morning and go somewhere you really want to be.
It's pretty fun. It's like being paid to color in coloring books all day, It's a really fun career. You can be creative and play on the computer all day in a fun environment.
You don't want to get in a job that you hate. You want to get in a job that you love going to work every day.
I've always heard good things about this school. Like, everyone gets a job, it's easy to get a job after you come out of here. And that was the main thing that drew me here.
To learn more about graphic design technology or explore other opportunities at Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology, visit us on the web at osuit.edu. Federal, state, and institutional financial aid may be available for qualified applicants. See these websites for more information.